Nakakalungkot, pero meron tayong top 5 possible El Tocuyo candidates for Miss Universe 2024. Sino nga ba sila? By the way, El Tocuyo means eto yung mga candidates na laging napipick as one of their top 5 bets. However, during the finals night, hindi sila nakapasok sa first cut. So, ibig sabihin, naligwak po sila. Let's begin with Brazil. Bakit si Brazil? Kasi nung nanalo siya sa kanyang national pageant, ang daming positive comments sa kanya, and then nung nag-start ang Miss Universe, Brazil has always been one of the top picks ng mga pageant vloggers. However, during the preliminary competition, marami ang hindi natuwa sa kanyang performance. So, probably, baka Brazil ang isa sa mga possible lang ha. So, wag kayong magagalit. Second possibility is Finland. This Ice Princess has a promising na comeback, no? So, marami ang hopeful na baka ibalik sa mapa sa mga placement streak ang Finland. However, sa performance niya during the preliminary competition, mukhang marami din ang hindi natuwa kasi daw medyo hindi ganun yung outcome na ina-expect nila. So, marami ang na-hurt. Kaya, baka possible Finland. Third possibility is Thailand. And yes, please don't hate me for this because I believe Thailand is one of the most prepared. Nasa kanya na ang lahat. The support, the preparation, the training, the styling, as in. Well-funded pa siya and as in. Lahat na nasa kanya. However, the challenge is the too much preparation could hinder her chances of winning or even penetrating top 30. Kasi naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na too much is already bad enough to affect your chances. Fourth possibility is Philippines. I hope you won't hate me for this. Sana wag ako mabash dito. But then, all out kasi yung support kay Chelsea. Nakapag-train naman siya ng maayos. Lahat na ibuhos na niya. So, praying na lang talaga yung moral support natin kasi hindi talaga natin may iwasan yung negativity. But then, manage your expectation. Kasi ito yung lagi kong sinasabi na huwag tayo mag-expect ng sobra kasi kapag hindi yun yung lumabas na outcome, syempre masakit, no? Pero, anyhow, support pa rin natin si Chelsea makapasok man or hindi. And lastly, Dominican Republic. I'm sure you know the reasons why kung bakit nasama ko siya. It's because alam niyo naman siguro, no, na kahit gaano ka-perfect ang isang tao, nasa iyo na lahat. The training, the preparation, the experience, the beauty, the brain, lahat na. The business, lahat nasa sayo na lahat. However, kapag mahirap ka talagang i-manage, if you are difficult to work with, maybe this is not the proper title for you. Kasi magkakaroon siguro ng problema, you might not get along well with your bosses or yung mga staff kapag medyo mahirap kang ka-work. Kaya that might be one of the reasons why possible si Dominican Republic for El Tocuyo. Kaya sana walang bashing dito. But then, since nag-start ang pageant, nakareceive na ako ng matinding bashing. As in, sobra below the belt talaga ng bashing. Either sa comments or sa inbox. Kasi hindi nila bet kung bakit hindi nasama sa listahan yung mga binablog ko. Okay? Pero I really cannot please everybody. So, syempre, this is subjective. I believe talaga na lahat talaga hindi mo mapiplease. Okay? So, that's it, guys. No to bashing and follow nyo na lang ako sa aking social media accounts kung gusto nyo lang. Okay? So, more updates to come, especially bukas. So, that's all. Bye-bye.